the storm is raging wild, and I can't see through the night, you are the peace inside my mind. You whisper truth that I'm still your child. When the world tries to pull me down, you lift me up from the ground. Your mercy calls, your love abounds. Oh Lord, you never let me drown. Even in my silence, you hear me cry. Even when I fall, you don't say goodbye. You still hold me when I'm breaking down. You still love me when I've lost my sound. Through every valley, through every tear, you're still the voice I need to hear. You still hold me near. When my heart is torn apart, you gather every shattered part. Your grace is light within my pain. You speak my name, and I'm whole again. Even in the silence, you're still my song. Even when I'm weak, your love is strong. You still hold me when I'm breaking down. You still love me when I've lost myself. Through every valley, through every tear, you're still the voice I need to hear. You still hold me. You still hold me near. You never let me go. You never lose control. The arms of my forever home. Oh Jesus, you still hold my soul. Yes, you still hold me. You still hold me. Even now. Hold me. You still hold me through the fire and rain. You still love me through joy and pain. My heart belongs to you alone. My anchor, my savior, my cornerstone. You still hold me. You still hold me near. You still hold. You still hold.